Welcome all the semi-English student of class 10th. Friends, this is our session 3rd of quadratic equations. And today we see solution of quadratic equation by using formula method. You know the standard form of quadratic equation, that is also called general form of quadratic equation. And what is it? It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The formula which is used to solve the quadratic equation, and that is x equal to minus b plus minus in root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Here plus minus sign indicates the two roots of quadratic equation. First is x equal to minus b plus in root b square minus 4ac upon twice a, and second is x equal to minus b minus in root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. We can solve example in practice set 2.4. Here in the first example, we have to compare given quadratic equation with general form of quadratic equations, and then you will have to find out the value of a, b and c. And second example is solve the quadratic equation by formula method. Now let us see first example in practice set 2.4, and that is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. This equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, now we comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get the value of a is equal to 1. A is equal to, here is nothing, that means 1. And the value of b is minus 7 and the value of c is 5. Therefore, we get the value of b is equal to minus 7, value of c is equal to plus 5. In this way, we find the value of a, b and c. Now this is a second example, that is 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. It is not in general form, therefore first we write this equation in general form, or we can say in standard form. Then we get 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get the value of a is equal to, see here, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to, we get minus 5 and c is equal to, we get 5. Therefore, we get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 5. Now, this is third example. Third example is y square is equal to 7y. This equation is not in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, first we write this equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get y square minus 7y plus nothing means 0 is equal to 0. Now the equation is y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. That equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get the value of a is equal to c here, and b is equal to c here. Imagine yourself, and c is equal to c here. Now we get the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 0. In this way we find the value of a, b and c. Now this is the second example in practice set 2.4. Here we have to solve the given quadratic equation by formula method. The first example is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we start to solve it. You know, if you compare the given quadratic equation with general form of quadratic equation, then we get the value of a, b and c. Therefore, now we comparing the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Then we get b square means 6 square minus 4 as it is, and minus 4 into a means 1 and into c means 5. In this way we get 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 is equal to square of 6 is 36, and multiplication of minus 4 into 5 we get minus 20. In this way we get 36 minus 20, that means 60. Now we have to write the formula x equal to minus b plus minus in root b square minus 4ac upon tau c, and by substituting the value of a, b and c we get minus b means minus 6 plus minus the value of b square minus 4ac is 16. Therefore we get plus minus in root 16 and 2 into 1. In this way we get minus 6 plus minus 4 upon 2. Now here we prepare two types of root. First is x equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, and second is minus 4, x equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Now we solve this equation. We get minus 6 plus 4. After calculation we get minus 2 upon 2 and minus 2 upon 2, that means x equal to minus 1. Now in right hand side equations we get x equal to minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 upon 2 and minus 10 upon 2, that means x equal to minus 5. In this way we get the roots of given quadratic equations. X square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0, and that is x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 5. Lastly we write the answers. Minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now This is the fifth example of main second example, and that is y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. This equation is not in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means shortly you can say this equation is not in general form. Therefore, first we write these equations in general form. Then we get y square plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we transfer 2 from right hand side to left hand side. Then we get y square plus 1 upon 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we comparing y3ax. Now we comparing y3ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get the value of a is equal to 1, and the value of b is equal to 1 upon 3, and the value of c is equal to minus 2. Now you can find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Then we get b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 upon 3 square minus 4 as it is, and 2 value of 1 is a is 1, and the value of c is minus 2. Therefore we get b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 upon 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. Now square of 1 upon 3 is 1 upon 9. In multiplication of minus 4 and minus 2 we get plus 8. Therefore we get 1 upon 9 plus 8, and 8 is written as 8 upon 1. Then we get the multiplication of denominator. 9 ones are 9, and cross multiplication 1 ones are 1, and 9 eights are 72. Therefore we get the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 73 upon 9. Now we take the formula minus b plus minus in root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Now by substituting the value of a, b and c, then we get minus the value of b is 1 upon 3. Therefore we get here minus 1 upon 3 plus minus, and now the value of b square minus 4ac is 73 upon 9. Therefore we get minus 1 upon 3 plus minus in root 73 upon 9 upon 2 into 1. Now here we take 1 upon root of 1 upon 9, and that is 1 upon 3. Therefore we get here minus 1 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 3 in root 73 upon 2 into 1, 2. Now here we prepare two types of root. Y equal to minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 in root 73 upon 2, or y equal to minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 in root 73. And if you take 1 upon 3 as a common, then we get 1 upon 3 in bracket minus 1 plus in root 73 upon 2, and right hand side we get y equal to 1 upon 3 in bracket minus 1 minus in root 73 upon 2. Now here we get y equal to 1 upon 3 in bracket minus 1 plus in root 73 upon 2. Here if we multiply by 3 denominator and numerator, therefore here we write multiplying by 3 to numerator and denominator. Now, after multiplication we get in numerator 3 cancel, and 1 into that brackets is -1 plus in root 73 upon 3 into 2 6. Then we get y equal to in bracket -1 plus 73 upon 6, and second bracket -1 minus in root 73 upon 6. Now your answer is -1 plus root 73 upon 6. This is the first root of given quadratic equation, and second root is -1 minus root 73 upon 6. In this way we find out the roots of given quadratic equation. This is the end of our third session. Thank you.